Are you looking for the best cornhole boards? Cornhole, a popular outdoor game, requires sturdy boards for the best experience. This blog post helps you find the top cornhole boards available. We will look at materials, design, and features that enhance gameplay. Whether you are a casual player or a serious competitor, selecting the right board is essential. List number 1, Gosport's 4-foot x 2-foot regulation size wooden cornhole board set. Experience fun-filled gatherings with the Gosport's wooden cornhole board set. Built with durable wood, these boards promise long-lasting enjoyment. The full regulation size ensures authentic gameplay for all ages. Easy transport is guaranteed with the included carrying case. Perfect for backyard parties, picnics, and friendly competitions. Enjoy endless hours of friendly competition with this classic bean-bag toss game. Advantages: offers full regulation size for competitive play. Crafted from durable wood for long-lasting use. Includes a carrying case for easy transport. Perfect for outdoor gatherings and parties. Simple to set up and start playing quickly. List number 2, Gosport's Solid Wood Premium Cornhole Set. Choose the Gosport's Solid Wood Premium Cornhole Set for endless fun with family and friends. Crafted from solid wood, it promises durability and style. With 2 size options, it fits any backyard or event perfectly. The set includes 8 cornhole toss bags for immediate play. Easy to set up and enjoy anywhere. Perfect for outdoor gatherings and friendly competitions. Advantages: durable construction ensures long-lasting fun outdoors. Perfect for family gatherings. 2 size options cater to different playing preferences and spaces. Vibrant toss bags enhance visibility and improve gameplay enjoyment. Easy to transport and set up at any event. Solid wood design adds a touch of elegance and quality. List number 3, Gosport's 4x2-foot rustic design cornhole game set. Bring joy to your gatherings with the Gosport's rustic design cornhole game set. Perfectly sized at 4x2 feet, these boards promise endless fun. The set includes 8 bean bags for competitive play. A handy carry case ensures easy transport to any location. Designed for durability, this cornhole game set is ideal for outdoor events. Engage your friends and family in exciting matches anytime. Advantages: rustic design adds charm to any outdoor gathering. Perfect for family fun. 2 sturdy boards ensure durability. Built to last through countless games. Includes 8 bean bags. Plenty for everyone to join the fun. Easy to carry case makes transportation simple. Great for travel or storage. Suitable for all ages. Everyone can enjoy playing together. List number 4, Sporto Solid Wood Vintage Cornhole Set. Enjoy endless fun with the Sporto Solid Wood Vintage Cornhole Set. This set includes 2 sturdy 4 feet by 2 feet cornhole boards. The vibrant red boards and 8 cornhole bags make it perfect for indoor and outdoor games. Ideal for friendly competitions and tournaments. Solid wood construction ensures durability and a classic look. Get ready for hours of entertainment with friends and family. Advantages: crafted from solid wood, the cornhole set ensures durability. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Enjoy it anywhere. Includes 8 cornhole bags for exciting games with friends. Ideal for friendly competitions and fun tournaments alike. Vintage design adds charm to any gathering or event. List number 5, Cornhole Set, Regulation Size Cornhole Boards. Enjoy endless outdoor fun with this cornhole set. The regulation size boards measure 4 foot x 2 feet, perfect for adults. 8 bean bags are included for competitive play. Easily carry the set anywhere using the convenient carrying case. Ideal for backyard gatherings, beach trips, or park activities. Advantages: perfect for outdoor gatherings and parties with friends. Enjoyable for everyone. Easy to set up and carry with the included case. Portable fun. Regulation size ensures a professional playing experience. Feel like a pro. Durable boards and bean bags for long-lasting use. Built to last. encourages physical activity and friendly competition. Stay active, have fun.